Guys, as much as we want to make enemies out of others, and as much as we want to put ourselves on a big pedestal, we are our biggest enemies when it comes to growth and development, and when it comes to pulling ourselves back. Our bad habits, our unwillingness to be in control of our emotions. Small things make us moods change. Our insecurities, our cravings, our willingness to not be consistent, of being fearful to a life of work. All these things, they add up, and these are the biggest enemies that we have in our life. These are the ones that stop us from going to the next level. So it's all about embracing a life that we all consider to be boring. But do you know what? That boring life is what brings the maximum laurels, the maximum success to us, and the most happiness. A life where we want to have food which is simple and nutritious, but it's bland, so we run away from it. A life where we want to do things day in and day out, build habits on a daily basis, habits which will pave the way for us to do great things in life, habits which help us in improving our fitness, having a gym routine, having a routine to study or read every day, having a routine where we listen to elders, where we learn from the others and keep our points to ourselves. It's basically a learning mindset we tend to shy away from. We become so arrogant and we become so built up in our beliefs that we stop ourselves, we limit ourselves, and limitations are the ones that stop us eventually. But if we were to just go with the flow, if we were to keep no limitations, and if we were to think about the future selves 5 years, 10 years down the line, how we would be if we embraced a life of boringness, which might be boring, but it brings the biggest satisfaction and the biggest happiness. Because in this life, in this boring life, you have to stray away from the things which really motivate us to do not so bad things, not so good things, which motivate us to go after our cravings. So that boring life is the life which we all should be living. So yes, let's embrace a boring life and let's do the maximum we can. Thanks for watching.